Right, that's it. Just checking the spoke tension, just get the datum point. I know it's not a very scientific way, but they all sound the same, both sides. No loose spokes anyway. And also against the datum point, it's just literally just grazing it all the way around. That's within thous, so I don't know what the tolerance is, but I've seen I had a rebuilt rear wheel on a 500 400 years ago, and it was there's a lot more movement in it than that, so I'm quite happy with that. So there's no up and down movement at all, and so that is within thous. I'm well and truly happy with that.